Next, look at a scatter plot, which helps visualize relationships between two variables. Here we use this plt.scatter function in order to plot the scatter graph. We give it a color, we take a marker X, here you can take a marker star or circle or any other you wish to. Again, we label the axes, set a title and display the graph. So this is what you will be seeing on running this code. Next, we have a simple pie chart, which is perfect for showing proportions. We define labels for such categories and their respective sizes. plt.pie, and here we give certain aspects for the code to understand what exactly needs to be done. We use the auto PCT function in order to know how many fractional values are needed to know the proportion. Like here we see 30.0, which is because we did 1.1f. If we change the value of 1.1 to some other value, you will see other values being represented in instead of 30.0. So basically it ensures percentage values appear on chart. Again we give it a title and lastly we show the chart. Next we have a histogram. So for histogram here we have imported numpy as NP. We have used random.indn in order to create values of 1000 integers. We have used the plt_hist function, which has been used with 20 pins, which gives us insights of the data distribution. We use the color purple and we also use the edge color, which is black. So as you can see here, the purple is surrounded by a black border, isn't it? So that is done by the function edge color. And these four functions, like we saw in the rest of the graphs, does its work, and finally we receive a histogram like this. And that's a quick tour of Matplotlib visualizations. We covered line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, pie charts, and histograms, each serving a unique purpose in data analysis. Try these out experiments with different data sets and see how the graph changes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such interesting contents.